Hare Krishna everyone. So today I am making palak paneer. So I wanted to share the recipe with you. Grab your ingredient and let's get started. Wash the palak leaves. It took forever to wash, so I didn't show you guys. Moving on. In a big pot, bring water to a boil. Once it's boiled, add chopped spinach and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overcook it as we want to preserve the vibrant green color. Immediately transfer the boiled spinach into a bowl of ice cold water. This stops the cooking process and help maintain the fresh green color. Once the spinach is cooled and drained, transfer it to a blender. Add ginger and garlic along with chili in the blender. Now heat oil in a pan, add whole 5 seed mix and let them splutter. Add chopped onion and saute until golden brown. Add tomato to the pan, cook it until soft. So palak paneer is a dish I never really thought about trying it before, but once I gave it a chance, it quickly became one of my favorite. Then add the spices mix like coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric and salt. Stir everything well and cook for a minute to allow the spices to cook through. After that, add spinach paste into the pan with cooked masala. Let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavor to meld. Like you can add fresh cream or yogurt for extra richness, but even without it, this dish is delicious and I like without yogurt and cream. Gently add paneer cubes into mixture. Stir carefully so the paneer absorbs the masala without breaking. I want to share one story related to palak paneer. So palak paneer is a dish I never really thought about trying it before, but once I gave it a chance, it quickly became one of my favorite. As I told you on my previous videos, nowadays I just try new flavors and foods. So I went to one of the Indian restaurant in Sydney. I tried palak paneer for the very first time and I wanted to recreate palak paneer after eating there. With many trial and error, I knew how to make delicious palak paneer at home with everyday ingredient. Serve your palak paneer with hot roti, naan or rice. Personally, I love it with roti. I hope the recipe brings a bit comfort and joy to your kitchen just like it does in mine. Enjoy and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe and have a great day.